got me feeling right.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Garden Light channel. I'm Rich. Today I'm here to give you a few tips how to grow your very own blackberry in your own backyard. As you can see, this blackberry bush is thriving. Like I said, it's definitely thriving. But even if you don't have enough space, you can grow blackberry any way you want. You can grow them in a container, on a small patio, wherever you prefer to grow them. But for me, I prefer to grow my blackberry in my native soil in the ground, and it just gives me abundance of blackberry. Especially my kids especially love these blackberries. If you're not thinking about growing your own blackberries, think again. I mean, look at this. There's blackberry everywhere, even on the ground. Look, every single way. Blackberry are so easy to grow. I think every gardener should have one in their garden. No matter where I put this camera, you're gonna see blackberries all over. Look at these lilies trying to get involved with this show. They look pretty though. There's blackberry everywhere. When growing blackberry, it prefers sandy soil. But blackberry bush, they'll grow in just about any soil. It doesn't really matter. I have really good soil, and I include compost in my soil a little bit. To help increase the chance of your blackberry to grow to its best potential, you want to plant your blackberry in early spring. And you want to make sure you give it a little fertilizer as you put it in the ground. This will kick that blackberry bush off to a really great start. This is when I fertilize my blackberry bush in spring. And look at this. The production that this blackberry is giving off is unreal. There's blackberry every single where on the tree. Look at that. When harvesting blackberry, you want to make sure they're completely black. If you look at this one, for example, this one right here, it's like half black, half red. This one you do not want to pick. You want to wait. You want your blackberry to be completely black, like so, like this one over here. If you look at this bush, most of the blackberry in there is red. In a few days or so, everything will turn black. But every single day, my kids come out here and they take blackberry off this tree every single day. And you know when it's ready. You give it one pull and this thing will come off. See that? I didn't really do much. I just pulled that off. I mean, that's it for now for this blackberry bush. I mean, you can see for yourself, this tree is just giving off abundance of blackberries. It's even in my neighbor yard. It just look amazing. Early spring, this entire bush, it gives off white blooms. The entire tree is covered in white blooms. And right now we're in the beginning of July, and look how it looks now. Tremendously. Just have blackberries all over it. But at the end of July, my kids are gonna strip this tree naked. Anyway, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you being here. See you in the next one. I'm gonna try one of these blackberries every year. Try to try one. See, that comes off easy. That was really good. I love that. I'll save this one for my daughter.